The Pfaff Creative Icon not only has bar tacks, they have decorative bar tacks as well. Head over to Utility Menu 1.4 and you'll see that there's eyelets and darning stitches and bar tacks. So number 9 is your most traditional bar tack. I'm going to show you how to stitch it. Plus stitches 10 through 15 are all different other fun bar tack options. And I'm going to show you something at the end that I used this kind of diamond looking stitch in a totally different way. So bar tacks are meant to just kind of be that reinforcement stitch at the top of a pocket or at the edge of a bag or bag handle. In our Pfaff Stitching Cosmos online course, when we get to our buttons and buttonhole lesson, we do talk about how to make these tassels, and we hold them in place with a bar tack each time and then sew a decorative button over the top of it. So if you're interested in our Pfaff Stitching Cosmos online course, you can watch 10 videos for free. See if that course is right for you as we start to explore other areas that this machine is capable of doing. So, and I'm going to show you just a little bit of what happened when I went to explore the bar tacks just today. So stitch number 9 is a built-in bar tack of an exact stitch length. We can go in and actually make it a little longer should you wish to adjust it in the stitch edit area. So as you go to stitch, we do need foot 1A with the IDT engaged. And here we were just playing with the mending stitch. So check out our mending stitch video. Not that we want to tell anybody this machine mends, but it is a stitch that makes it really easy. So this stitch is set up to stitch forward with a straight line, back with a straight line, and then zigzag over the railroad tracks to give you that nice secure finish. And we'll go ahead and do the locking stitches at the end and just go ahead and cut the threads. So again, you can make this longer if you wish, but that simple, easy, reinforced bar tack is something that you can do. Let me just pull up one of those other bar tack stitches that you can do. How about number 10? This one, it will be a little bit different size and can be decorative. So just make sure that when you're sewing out your stitch book that you make sure you sew out all your bar tacks. Who would have thought you could have so much creativity and have some fun with those as well. So again, a bar tack with a little extra triangle. So that last stitch that I was showing you is actually kind of a diamond stitch. And so what I was doing a little playing. I just needed a little break. And when I need a little break, I stitch out decorative stitches. So this is what I was playing with. And I had stitched out a decorative stitch here. It's in the machine. And then I went and added the little diamonds to the tips. Now there's also another little scalloped edge that I went and added too. So I'm kind of just in my mind playing around with some ideas, maybe something for some future classes. I was kind of doing a stacked stitch version. I took one stitch, stitched it in pink, and then did another stitch with another color over the top of it. So again, sometimes when you just sit at your machine and play, which I hope you'll do, in our Pfaff Stitching Cosmos course, we do over 7 hours of play and really help you explore all new ways to use these fabulous stitches and functions of the Pfaff Creative Icon.